When you're walking through betrayal trauma, self-care isn't a luxury or an indulgence. It's survival. Neglecting self-care can leave you exhausted, reactive, and at greater risk of relapse into unhealthy coping patterns. Think of it like oxygen on an airplane. You can't help anyone else if you're gasping for breath yourself. Self-care is what keeps your lungs full, your feet on the ground, and your heart steady. It's what equips you to handle triggers, face difficult conversations, and keep moving forward on your healing journey. Consistent care for your body, your mind, and your spirit gives you the stability that you need to heal, to think clearly, and to respond rather than react. When you practice self-care, you're building resilience, one choice at a time. You're reminding yourself that your needs matter, that your health matters, and that you matter. Taking care of yourself is one of the most loving things that you can do, not only for yourself, but also for the people around you. When you are grounded and cared for, you bring your best self into your relationships, your recovery, and your future.